Kamakailan ay ginanap ang 25th wedding anniversary vow renewal ni Giselle at ng kanyang asawa na si Emil Buencamino, at masasabi nating, grabe, napaka-romantic ng lahat. Ang celebration ay parang isang destination dream wedding na may halong beach at nature vibe. Sa mga kuhang larawan at video, makikita ang napakagandang backdrop na bundok, tubig, at mga puting bulaklak na parang kumakatawan sa linis at tibay ng kanilang pagmamahalan. Ang tema ng okasyon ay light, fresh at elegant bagay na bagay sa 25 years ng kanilang pagsasama. Si Giselle ay nakasuot ng isang soft ivory champagne dress, simple pero napaka-classy. Yung blue pendant necklace niya, stand out. Symbolic daw ito ng loyalty at peace, bagay na bagay sa isang babaeng marunong magmahal at magpatawa. Habang si Emil naman, naka-white shirt at khaki pants at very relaxed, pero kita mo yung glow ng lalaking masaya at in love pa rin sa asawa niya after all these years. Sa vow renewal ceremony, makikita sina Giselle at Emil na nagkatinginan ng puno ng emosyon. Walang script, walang punchline at puro totoo. Habang binibigkas nila ang panibagong pangako sa isa't isa, ramdam mo yung sincerity. 25 years na magkasama, pero parang kahapon lang nang sila ay kinasal. At syempre, nandyan si Ina Raimundo na matagal ng kaibigan ni Giselle. Siya pa mismo ang nagbigay ng speech sa reception. Sobrang nakaka-touch at nakakatawa rin ang kanyang mga sinabi na inalala niya yung mga panahong third wheel daw siya sa mag-asawa noong 90s tuwing may break-up siya. Pero ang pinakamaganda ron, kita mo yung tunay na pagkakaibigan nila na hindi lang showbiz, kundi genuine connection. Ina-describe Giselle as the most supportive and loving friend, at halatang totoo dahil halos sabay silang naiyak at natawa habang nagkukwento. Nandoon din ang kanilang mga anak at malalapit na kaibigan, lahat nakangiti at proud. Sa mga larawan, may mga sandaling sabay silang nagtaas ng kamay parang sinasabi nila, "We made it!" At ang cute din ng cake yellow and gray, may 25 sa ibabaw simple pero elegant. Kitang-kita sa video na puno ng pagmamahal at saya ang buong selebrasyon. Walang engrandeng palabas pero napaka-espesyal dahil ito ay isang paalala ng tunay na forever na oo, posible pa rin pala sa panahon ngayon.
For all the times you stood by me, for all the truth that you made me see, for all the joy you brought to my life, for all the wrong that you made right, for every dream made come true, for all the love I found in you. I'd be forever grateful, baby. You're the one who held me up, never let me fall. You're the one who saw me through it all. You were my strength when I was weak. You were my voice when I couldn't speak. You were my eyes when I couldn't see. You saw the best that was in me. When I couldn't reach, you gave me strength 'cause you believe. I'm crazy about you, baby. Emil, I love you.
I love you too.
Ladies and gentlemen, my husband, Emil Buencamino. Medyo sa natin yung music. Ayan. Oh, come on guys. Kailangan natin ng support na dito. Come on.
Oh, your eyes, cause the sun's full like the night shining. Your hair, folks perfectly without you trying. You're so beautiful, I tell you every day. Yeah, I know, when I compliment you, you won't believe me. And it's so sad to think that you don't see what I see. But every time you ask me, who I look.
BFF since 97. 96! September 1996. And grabe, BFF and Emil, I'm so happy for you. Happy 25th anniversary. You two are blessed to have each other. Soulmates talaga kayo, diba? Ang dami namin pinagsamahan back in the 90s kapag bagong breakup ako sa ex-boyfriend ko, third wheel nila ako palagi. Because we would watch movies together and Giselle's always there to comfort me. But most of the time, I was the heartbreaker. Yeah, joke. Yes. But congratulations, and may you celebrate many, many more anniversaries. So 25 years from now, we'll be celebrating again, right?
Yes.
Beach ulit
Every
ba?
5 years from now,
Or
or
every 5 years?
2 years.
Open, loving home where we can laugh, cry, and be honest without fear. You both inspire me to keep pushing forward and to be the best version of myself, while always reminding me to be patient with the process because growth takes time and love takes effort. And now seeing you renew your vows feels like a full circle moment. It's a beautiful reminder that love doesn't stop at I do. It continues to evolve, to deepen, to mature, and to heal. Watching the two of you stand here today, after everything you've experienced together, reminds me that marriage is about grace, forgiveness, laughter, and a lot of faith. So here's to both of you. May you both live happily ever after with me and Lori by your side. That's it. Thanks. And now I'd like to introduce my brother Zapon.
Happy 25th anniversary. I don't want to be redundant with anything Ashley has said. So tonight, I just want to tell you how much I love and appreciate you. Because growing up with you two, I've seen the kind of love you two share. And how you've bonded and grown together, both as parents and as genuine people. That love has translated into our home. And frankly, that's why I love our home. Because I always feel safe, always full of love. Even with the extra family of chaotic zoo animals living in our house. So thank you and Mom for being our greatest example. And the best home we can always rely on. Yeah, that's so. I said I will never fall unless it's you I fall into. I was lost within the darkness, but then I found her.
Sa loob ng 25 taon, pinatunayan ni Giselle at Emil na ang pag-ibig ay hindi lang kilig. Ito ay commitment, friendship, at faith. At sa dulo ng araw, ang mga ngiti nila ang pinakamagandang simbolo ng tagumpay. Hindi lang sa showbiz, kundi sa buhay mag-asawa. Kaya naman, congratulations Giselle at Emil Buencamino. Cheers to love, laughter, and many more years of happiness. Hanggang dyan na lamang tayo sa ngayon. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na to, ay huwag kalimutang mag-like, comment, share, at subscribe.